Good morning, welcome to Mickey and my craft, or good day. This is Hilda, your host. All depends on what time this video comes in. Today I have a super mini haul of Temu items, okay? First of all, I wanted to try one of the purses on there. I want to see. Let me see. I guess I might have to break. So how is everybody doing? I wanted to try one of the purses there. Although I don't go out, you know, that much, but okay. I'm looking for the strap. Hopefully it's inside right here. Here is the strap. And you got over here for credit card and everything. For your driver license. And then you got over here. Oh, this zipper was kind of weird. Where you can put everything. The only thing is you cannot put your phone unless you take it out of the case. And over here you have one. Well, you can put your phone in here. But this is neat. I like it. It looks like it's a sturdy, you know. Okay. This is for when I go to the doctors. That's neat. It has some rhinestones in here. That's one. I'm gonna take this out. Now, the rest is, I bought these because it has some different than the one that I have from Amazon. Amazon came in a set. This is for nail art. Have that much. This one is in black. Maybe over here, looking at it from the back is better. Okay. Then I got some Avalon or some shells. I'm gonna take it out of here because these packages occupy spaces. Oh, that's not that much. You see, I bought a package from Amazon, and that one has way many more, I think. But it's enough. Probably for a one-time use. Let's see these ones. Oh, this one got a lot. But it looks like it depends on the color. Because look at this one. Look at this purple one. It's pretty. They are pretty. And the last one. Oh, this green, I love it. I love this green. You kind of have a lot. These two. Yeah, it looks like they have a lot. I don't know why that came like, you know, hardly with anything on it. Oops. And last but not least, I got this mold. It's a 25 by 15 centimeter. It's very thick. Let me open it. Ooh, it's all stuck. I'm gonna have to get it out. Break it out of here. Oh yeah, this is very thick. Very thick and very deep. That's about. Let me see. That's about half an inch thick. That's good. And it's sturdy and it's shiny. So it's a nice plate to put things on it. So we got the purse, we got this, and we got these 3 cents. It wasn't that much. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Hit the like and comment below. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.